I'm making some tortillas today. I've realized that the quality of the tortilla really makes a difference in the final meal. So I've been playing around with the recipe for a while. I finally found a method that I really love. I make 2 batches. One is a little softer and chewier, and the other has a bit more texture. Both are good, just depends on what I'm in the mood for. It looks like I'm making a lot of tortillas, but I'm always surprised by how much food my family goes through. I'm sure these will be gone in a week or 2. The sun's still out, so we spent some time outside before dinner. For dinner, I wanted something quick, so I defrosted the red lentil tomato pasta sauce I had in the freezer.
Yeah, you can do more cheese.
Today, I'm using the tortillas I made the other day to whip up some beef tacos. First, I'm mixing up my own taco seasoning. I like making it myself so I can adjust the flavors just the way I want them. I'm mixing some applesauce into the beef to help tenderize it. While the meat marinates, I'll shred some cheese. I'm planning to assemble a batch of tacos now and save the leftovers for later, so I've got a quick meal ready to heat up. These tacos definitely need some fresh salsa, so I'm making a batch of pico de gallo. I like to fry the tacos just a bit to get that crispy outside. And these tortillas crisp up really nicely. I always wish all this food would last a little longer, but it usually disappears in a few days. I guess that's a sign the kids are growing fast and need all the energy they can get.